Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make anime character Saitama in Infinite Craft. Before that, I'm trying to hit 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. Put water on the empty space and add wind to get wave, add earth to get sand, add water to get beach. Put earth on the empty space and add water to get plant. Combine plant and beach to get palm. Put earth on the empty space and add wind to get dust, add wind to get sandstorm, add water to get oasis, and add plant to get date. Combine palm and date to get dat. Put water on the empty space and add water to get lake. Put fire on the empty space and add fire to get volcano. Combine lake and volcano to get island. Then add earth to get continent. Put earth on the empty space and add earth to get mountain. Combine continent and mountain to get Asia. Add volcano to get Japan. Put fire on the empty space and add water to get steam. Combine steam and Japan to get enemy. Combine enemy and dad to get Saitama. So this is how you can make Saitama in Infinite Craft. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.